Looking for the right vehicle? Check out 2016 E-Class. Some predict the future. We prefer to build it. The Mercedes E-Class is an impressive ride, very smooth and punchy, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, CD player, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.